Hi everyone, I hope you're fine. With children returning back to school, I've been getting tons of messages regarding lunchbox ideas, so I thought I'd share some great lunch recipes with you today. Turkey sandwiches. Cut the crusts off 4 slices of bread. Spread mayo on 2 slices of bread. If you don't like mayo, you can use butter, margarine, or even cream cheese. Layer with turkey slices. At this point, you can add any kind of salad item you want. You can add lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, anything you fancy. Mac and cheese sticks. They're a favourite for my kids and they come together really well. I leave them in the freezer until I'm ready to fry them, and they can stay in the freezer for up to 2 months. Melt 1 tablespoon butter and add 1 tablespoon of flour. Cook that until it's fragrant. Slowly add the milk and cook until thickened. At this point you can add salt, pepper and seasonings. Turn off the stove and wait a couple of moments before adding half a cup of grated cheese. Mix well until properly melted and smooth. Add 1 cup of boiled pasta and mix well. Pour the mac and cheese into a pan lined with parchment paper. If you don't have parchment paper, you can use tin foil and spray it down with cooking spray or with a splash of oil. Freeze for an hour until solid. Beat 1 egg and set it aside. For the coating, you need 1 cup of breadcrumbs, some salt and some pepper to season. Cut the mac and cheese slab into finger-sized pieces and work quickly. They will melt really fast. Dip each finger into the flour, the egg, then into the breadcrumbs. Freeze them until you're ready to fry. When you are ready, then fry them on medium heat until they are golden brown. Oh wow, don't those look delicious? Let's make club sandwiches. You will need to toast 3 slices of bread until golden. And yes, you want those scorch marks on there. For the filling, you want to mix half a cup of boiled chicken with 1 tablespoon mayo, salt and pepper. Beat 1 egg, season with salt and pepper, and cook it until golden. Spread mayo on all 3 slices of bread. Again, if you don't like mayo, you can use butter, margarine, or even cream cheese. Spread the sandwich mixture onto 1 slice of bread. Cover with the other slice of bread. Build up your club sandwich by adding the egg, tomatoes and lettuce. Finally, top with the last slice of bread and cut it. Serve with fries and my favourite, coleslaw. Let's make pizza for lunch. For the topping, you will need half a chicken breast, and with that you want to season it with salt and pepper and Cajun spice. Fry the chicken for a couple minutes on each side and then set it aside until we are ready to top the pizzas. The recipe for the pizza dough is in the link above. I halved this recipe and it gave me 6 personal pizzas. Roll each pizza into 6-inch rounds. That's generally the personal pizza size, and I think that that's great for children. It's small enough for them to eat in one go and big enough to keep their tummies full. Prick the pizza base with a fork and top with pizza sauce. At this point, you can add your favourite toppings, or you can even get the kids to help out and let them decorate their own pizzas. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes depending on your oven. Remember to keep kids away from the oven because the oven is hot, hot, hot. If you'd like to see more recipes like this, please leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching. I hope your children have a great year ahead. Much love and have a good one.